What's going on, guys? It's Sean from Window-Tint-Supplies, and I'm going to show you how to open your pre-cut packaged window tint kit from Window-Tint-Supplies.com when you receive it, so that you don't damage it when you open the package itself and unwrap it. So you're going to get the tube like this. Most of the time it's going to be a 37 by 3 by 3 or by 3 width packing tube. This is nice and hard, so it won't damage the material while it's getting shipped. If you do receive it damaged, you can see right here, do not accept if damaged. If you are home when they hand you the package by UPS or either USPS, and you notice the package is damaged, simply tell them that you want to deny the receival of the package and they'll send it back to us. Once we get it, we'll send you back a brand new pre-cut kit if the package does arrive damaged. So say that you receive the package in sound condition like so. I'm going to show you how to open it from here. So you'll see there's secured tape on each end. You're just going to take a knife or a pair of scissors or something sharp, and you're just going to cut the perimeter of this tape here. Don't be scared to push hard. There's no window tint behind this area. So we'll cut the perimeter. We'll pull the tape off, and it comes off like a little cap. And then you're left with a cap insert on the tube or inside of the tube. You can grab the end. It can be a little tough to grab it. You can use a pair of pliers or just use the leverage of your fingers to pop that cap off. Once you remove the cap, you're going to see you have craft paper on the inside. You're just going to pull that out. We pack this in precisely so that it's just snug enough to hold the window film into place. You're going to pull that out, and then you'll see right there we have the window film. So we can go ahead and allow it to fall out. Grab it. Obviously don't let it fall on the ground. And this is your pre-cut. And if you order tools, most of the time if you get like a yellow turbo squeegee or some little things, they'll be on the other end. But if you got a separate tracking number for that, then that means that you're going to get another package. So we have the pre-cut out of the tube. You can discard the tube, keep the tube, whatever you want to do with it, it's yours. And we're left with the pre-cut like so. And you can see on the ends we have rolled up paper to protect the ends of the material. And the material usually ends about here, so there's no exposure of the film getting damaged. You can see on the package, or on the protective ends, it says only the red tape with the tabs on it. Remove the tape, then pull off in this direction. So tape has a tab on it. You're going to pull on it, twist it around, and you'll see that simply removes from the paper. Now once you have that tab pulled off and that tape is completely removed off, you can grab the tint and then grab the paper end and slide it right off nice and easily. You can see you have a pre-cut with no damaged ends. And let's do the same thing on the other side. You can discard of this end. That is no need to you anymore. So we'll pull that tab, twist it around. Sometimes it'll grab the center tape. If it releases, then you can just slide the material off. Now once you get those ends off, you're left with the pre-cut with a piece of tape in the center. Now sometimes you'll have a piece of paper in the center as well. If your pre-cut has a lot of jagged edges, we'll put a piece of paper on the center and then the paper ends. If you have that, just still take the paper ends off first, and then you'll take the tape off of the center paper and then remove that, and you'll be left with a piece of tape in the center where you just very carefully peel that back. You'll notice when you peel the tape that the tint will tend to peel up. You want to get your fingers close to the tape as possible and slowly peel it at a low angle to remove that tape without any damage. So once you have all the tape and the paper off, you can take the material, lay it out on a nice big table, and if you order the windshield, this is what a windshield would look like. Once you have the material like so, it is at your discretion to install it. We have plenty of installation instruction videos on how to install specific types of windows on many different kinds of cars, so check out the videos. I'll put the link in the description for all the different types of installs that you can do. Thank you for shopping on Window-Tint-Supplies.com, and we hope to see you back here soon.